Yo, what's up? My name is Carlos, and today I'm gonna share with you some great strength exercises you can do right here at the Long Meadow Farms Fitness Center.
All right, today I'm showing you my favorite 5 strength machines for building a solid total body routine, especially if you're just getting started or getting back into strength training. Let's start with the leg press. This is one of the safest and most effective ways to strengthen your legs, especially your quads, hamstrings, and glutes, without putting too much strain on your lower back. Keep your feet shoulder width apart, press through your heels, and control the weight on the way down. Remember, strength isn't just about how much weight you lift, it's about control and good form. Next, we got the shoulder press. This one's great for building upper body strength. It targets your shoulders, triceps, and even your core slightly. Start light until you feel comfortable pushing straight up without arching your back. Think of this as building the foundation for everything you lift, carry, or reach for during your day. Now let's move into the lat pull down. This machine helps strengthen your back and improve posture, something most of us can benefit from after hours of sitting. Keep your chest tall, pull the bar down to your chest, and squeeze your shoulder blades together. Strong lats help protect your shoulders and improve your overall upper body stability. Next, we got the seated row, one of the most underrated machines in the gym. Make sure your chest stays against the pad and your core stays engaged. You can do mid rows to target the middle of your back or higher rows to hit your upper back and rear shoulders. This machine teaches you how to pull properly, improving posture and balance between your front and back muscles. Now let's finish with the chest press machine. It's a beginner-friendly way to strengthen your chest, shoulders, and triceps without the need for a spotter. Keep your back flat on the pad, wrists in line with your elbows, and push forward with control. This move pairs perfectly with the row to keep your upper body balanced. And once you're done, don't forget to wipe down your equipment. It keeps the space clean and ready for the next person. Quick question, if you could use only one of these machines for the rest of your workouts, which one would you choose and why? Drop it in the comments and I'd love to hear your thoughts. Let's go.